Hello and welcome to Saras's classes. Today we are going to solve one problem from quantitative aptitude. As we all know that quants is a most important portion in any competitive examination. This is very much easy portion. It requires only your computational skills and your memorizing skills. There is no such uh, conceptual complexity in it. Okay, so let's see the question. One third of the contents of a container evaporated on the first day and three-fourths of the remaining evaporated on the second day. What part of the contents of the container is left at the end of the second day? According to the question, after one day, content left according to the question, after one day, content left is 1 minus one third, as one third portion is already evaporated, and the second day contents evaporated is three-fourths of the remaining, that is two-thirds into three-fourths, which implies 6 by 12. Therefore, contents left after second day is equals to two-thirds minus 6 by 12. That implies 8 minus 6 by 12, which is 2 by 12. That means 1 by 6. So option 4 is the correct answer. Okay, so that's all for today. To know more about quantitative aptitude and its conceptual portions, you can join us, or you just can WhatsApp us at 9876 793076 or 9874822756, and you also can check our website, which is www.sarasclasses.com. Thank you very much.